Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the iMPlayer app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the first step you gotta take is, of course, get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you go to Search and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and that's the app that you need to get to your Firestick device. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet, because of course you still have to set it up. So now, in order to set up Downloader, you'll go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and in here you need to turn on developer options for your Firestick. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, your developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it is pretty easy to make them appear. So what you gotta do for that is scroll up until you see Downloader, and not Downloader, but until you see About page. You open it, and then here you need to select Fire TV Stick and start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. It means that we're ready to go back, go to developer options, install known apps, and now from here just locate developer options and of course turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications by using Downloader, instead of only being able to download the official Amazon apps from your official Amazon App Store. So of course make sure once again to turn that option on for Downloader. And now we are ready to go to the list of apps on your Firestick device. So here it is, let's open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give us the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go straight back into the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and of course open it. And now in here, what you pretty much gonna do is on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And after that, in the search bar right here, we'll need to start entering the code. So the code will be 82375. So once again, it's 82375. Make sure to enter the code as you see and then click on Go. And now the app will be opening its website for you, or maybe the download will start straight away. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so the download has started. We just need to wait a bit. And while you wait, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Now you just need to click on install and wait a bit until the app gets installed to your Firestick. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire TV stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important because by default, your Fire Stick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, you will open it, and here's the iMPlayer application which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the player is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.